When a fire occurs, which cause more deaths, smoke or fire? As per research, during a fire, most people die from smoke rather than flames. According to accurate data from rescue organizations, more than 50% of fire-related deaths are caused by smoke inhalation and toxic gases. Have you ever wondered how people inside the building can still escape safely when there is a fire and smoke everywhere? That smoke purging system come in. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate how a smoke purging system works and how to perform a function test step by step. Smoke purging systems are a crucial part of building fire safety, designed to remove smoke from escape routes and critical areas during a fire emergency. Firstly, here are the basic tools and documents required. Number 1, system drawings and control panel locations. Number 2, access keys to electrical panels or mechanical rooms. Number 3, a handheld anemometer or airflow meter. Optional. Number 4, a stopwatch or timer. Number 5, a checklist or test sheet for documentation. Firstly, create the hot or cold smoke at testing location. Example, basement car park. Step 1. Simulate fire signal. Enough volume of smoke at the designated area. Activate a smoke detector or manual call point or flow switch at fire zone. Confirm that the fire alarm and smoke purge signal are received at the control panel. Step 2. Verify system activation. Smoke exhaust fans should automatically start. Motorized dampers or louvers should open to exhaust smoke and draw in fresh air. Step 3. Observe airflow and operation. Check air direction using a smoke pen or tissue to confirm airflow from clean areas to smoke-affected zones and out of the building. Verify that pressure in escape routes is maintained, if applicable. Step 4. Monitor system feedback. Ensure that fan running signals, damper position indicators, and any fault alarms are displayed correctly on the control panel. Here's some visual check while doing testing. Activation of fire alarm zone. Fan and damper activation shots. Airflow demonstration with smoke pen. Close-ups of control panel feedback indicators. After testing, reset the system back to normal condition. Reset the fire alarm and purge system. Confirm all fans and dampers return to standby position. And record all test results, observations, and any corrective actions required. Visuals. Technician resetting the system. Filling out log sheet or checklist.
Using the nearest exits and staircases now.
And that's how you perform a smoke purging system test, a vital procedure to ensure your building remains safe during a fire emergency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fire safety system tutorials.